Hello and welcome to The View From Here. If we haven't met before, my name's Sam and I love to go travelling. Today we're going to look at something a bit different, ChatGPT. I've really been enjoying exploring this as part of my work life recently and finding different ways of using it. So I thought it'd be fun to have a look at how we might use this for travel and share it with you guys. So I went to my iPhone, I downloaded the app called ChatGPT. And like a lot of people, in August in Melbourne, Australia, I'm pretty sick of the weather, pretty sick of being cold and miserable. So I wanted to know, where can I go in August that's close to Australia? And I asked ChatGPT this question. It did come up with a couple of options for me, one being Bali, which I've been to before in August and can confirm it's a great way to escape the winter blues. It did also suggest New Zealand though, which wasn't quite what I was looking for. And I did realise that this was because my question had been too simple and hadn't told ChatGPT all of what I was looking for. So I did say to ChatGPT after that, I want to go to Bali. I also enjoy cultural experience and nature. And I wanted to see what it would come up with. And now I'm going to share the list that it come up with. And having been to Bali a few times, as I mentioned, I can confirm that this is a really good list for people that do enjoy cultural experiences and being out in nature. This list that I got from ChatGPT then led to my further research on what I can do in Bali in August. I looked at things like YouTube for travel inspiration and videos from creators that share places that they've been. And if they've been to that specific area that ChatGPT has suggested, perfect. I watch those videos, I get more inspiration on what I can do. I also look at Google or Safari on my iPhone, and that gives me more ideas. So things like tour companies that can take me on day trips or multi-day trips and go to the places that ChatGPT has suggested. All of this forms part of my research phase and is really fun just to look at, explore, imagine myself going there and finding things that I might enjoy. Then pretty much just for my own enjoyment and maybe yours too, I just asked ChatGPT a few silly questions, including this last one about something I've always wondered about. I really enjoyed its response. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video today and thanks for watching and hope to see you again another time.